Okay, so let's move to the first part where we are going to create our new file. So you can see there is one create button here. Click on this. You will see multiple options here, and you can create a notebook, dataset, competition, hackathon, and benchmark. We are not going to use competition, hackathon, and benchmark for now. We are going to focus on notebook and dataset part first. So first thing first, let's create our first project, empty file. And this is our playground where we are going to create our codes, where we are going to upload our data sets, and this is where most of the things will be happening. So please pay a very close attention to this specific part. First thing first, we are going to change the name of this file. I will create this as a demo lecture, and next thing, I will walk you through this complete screen here. First of all, you can see file. You can upload a new file. You can link it with the Colab. You can link with the GitHub. You can also change the language that you are going to use. Mostly, we are going to work on the specifics in this specific series using the Python language. And on this right side panel here, you can upload your data set, and you can also add any input data set as well. You can also create uh, input from the existing data sets, and if you have your own file, you can also upload from your specific drive as well. The next thing is output. This is where you are going to see the output of your codes, outputs of your project. The next thing, table of contents. So we are going to create a complete notebook, and this is what it is going to show you, all the sections here. And if you want to link it with GitHub, you can also do that. You can see here share button here. You can share your projects with the other people if you want, but for now we are going to keep it private. Okay, and this option, once you are going to run your complete code, and it will save some of the results. And if you click on this option, it is going to save the current state of your project, and that will be helpful for future tasks, and you can continue from where you have left. And you can see some options here, markdown and code. Markdown is the language that is used for explaining or writing. It's just like the Word file where you can highlight different text, you can create headings, you can also write paragraphs. So in some parts we are going to write code, and in some parts we are going to write some textual explanations of the code. So this is what markdown language will do for us. And you can also see some button here that you can use to cut. For example, if you want to delete this one, you can click on this, and you can see now it is completely clean. And these are two buttons that we are going to use very frequently. You can run your code using this. If you want to run a specific cell, you are going to run this, and if you want to run all the cells that you have created, you are going to run all. Okay, and if you want to create a new cell, you need to click on this, and you can also change the position of this by clicking on these buttons here. This is it from the first file, and this is how you are going to navigate through the files. In the next video, I'm going to create the first code, and I will show you how you can run your first code. Plus, I'm also going to upload our data set here, so you can see how you can link your code with the data set.